how to track OnTrac order. So hello guys, if you want to track your OnTrac order or you want to track your OnTrac parcel, how you guys can do that? So the process was same for iPhone, Android and PC. You guys can use the same process. So I am using Android, so I will simply go to a Chrome. You guys can use any browser. Here you guys will simply search for OnTrac tracking. Once you search for that, you will simply wait for some second. Here you guys will see OnTrac tracking and also track if package OnTrac. So you need to simply check the website was official. Once you confirm that, simply click on that. So I will simply click on track a package. So once you click here, you need to wait for some seconds. Now here you guys are seeing track by shipping reference zip code lookup. So here you guys can track your OnTrac parcel or orders by pasting your tracking number. And that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.